Okay guys, what's up? Philipp Doukakis here, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna take you to a journey to Switzerland, to a beautiful lake. I'm here with but I rented a camper van for a few days just to test how it is to sleep in a van in the winter time. And I'm very excited, it's my first time and I'm gonna start now. I'm a little bit late, but yeah, I hope we catch a sun before the sun sets and make some nice drone shots. So, see you later. So the place I'm going now is around 800 meters higher from the sea level, and there's a lake, a big lake, just in front of the high mountains, and that's why we have to climb up all the way now. Yeah, but the view is beautiful, just the road is a little bit tight. And the mountain is around, I think, 2,500 meters high. Okay guys, that's it. I made it to the place I wanted to go, close to the lake. The lake is behind me, beautiful scenery, the mountain, and that is my hotel room for tonight and for the next 2 nights basically. And yeah, it's getting cold now, I'm hungry, so I need to eat something quickly. And yeah, let's see how the place looks from the air with a drone. Good morning guys, it's a new day, a sunny day. I woke up 1 hour earlier today to set up the time-lapse camera outside. This is how it looks like here inside, very comfortable. I set up my office place there. I will show you later about the battery I bought with me. And yeah, here is the kitchen. I'm gonna make some breakfast later, and there I sleep. So let's check outside how the camera is going, because it's freezing, but the time lapse is gonna be great. So let's go outside. So basically, the reason why I decided to come here is because of a waterfall I saw in Google Maps. It should be somewhere right there behind me, and it looked really impressive in the pictures, but these pictures were summer pictures, so I guess there's no water at the moment because it's frozen on the mountain. But an old guy came by yesterday and told me that on the other side there's another waterfall which is really nice and with water actually, and I'm gonna film it today, definitely. So here is my camera doing the time lapse at the moment. It's at 88%. So let's go make some breakfast. Actually, it's -5, -8 degrees, something like that. But at least I have a heating system in the van. It works with gas. And yeah, it's very comfortable. So I rented this van from paulcamper.de. It's a German website where private owners can rent their vans. And yeah, I found it in a reasonable price, and it has also one bed on the roof, a pop-up roof, so it can sleep up to 4 persons. It has a bathroom inside, toilet, shower, and heating included. Very nice. So I really recommend it. If you like, you can check the description below. There will be a link where you can get a discount for your first rent at Paul Camper. So now it's breakfast time. I'm gonna do an omelette, special omelette with some veggies. Make sure you have a little bit a window open when you cook inside the van because of the gas, just for a little air ventilation. Another cool thing about this van are the lights around the room. I mean the bedroom and the living room. There are spotlights. I can take them off like this, and I can put them here if I like, just like this. And now I have a spotlight at the place I'm cooking. So very convenient solution. And now the omelette is almost done. So last but not least, we need an avocado. So ta-da! Here we have the perfect breakfast for the camper van. So I'm here actually in my office. Mobile office, as you see, fully equipped. Actually, this is what saved my trip, because this van doesn't have so much battery capacity to be self-sustained over many days, and that's why I bought this bluetti. It's called bluetti battery mobile power station, which has 670 watt hours approximately, so I can charge my laptop, I can charge my drone stuff, my camera stuff. I press here the button, and now I have the 12-volt part here, mobile phone charged wirelessly, and here are the 220-volt devices. So it's very convenient, and it really saved my trip. I still have 60% capacity, and if it goes very low I can still charge it with a car if I need it. So I will put a link in the description below if you are interested. There will be an affiliate link. Here's also a light. If you press it more than once, you get an SOS Morse code for emergency. So also very convenient. So today is my last day and I decided to take a little walk to see the surroundings. Actually, this is a position I took the time lapse last night with the lake behind me. Everything looks different when it's daylight. So yeah, let's see. So this is it. It's really loud here, and you see that's the waterfall I was talking about. Alright guys, now it's time for chili con carne, for dinner. Last dinner, last night in the van. Tomorrow we're driving back. We'll see if the weather is still good or maybe it's gonna be a little bit rainy. And yeah, so have a nice night and see you tomorrow. Morning guys, I'm on my way back home now to Stuttgart. I have to be there in around 4 hours, but there was a path when I came up here, when I came on Saturday. There was a construction site, but it was closed because they don't work on Saturday, so I could go through it. And now it's Monday, and as you see here, the road is closed. And I have to find another way, that way, I guess, over the mountain. But I checked it on Google Maps and it's not that far, so it's just a little bit curvy, but we will make it. I think, in 4 hours. So, see you later. At least there's no snow at the moment. These are really tight roads, but with snow this would be a nightmare. Whoops, shit. That guy was really kind and went back for us. Thank you. Here comes the next tight spot. Alright guys, I made it back home in time. I have to deliver the van back in 1 hour. I have to clean it a little bit, and yeah, everything went fine. We had some small complications with the construction sites, but we came through it from another path, and yeah, now it's a little bit raining. That's good because it's gonna wash the outside a little bit, make it cleaner. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a nice trip to see you my experience with this van for the first time, how it is to go to Switzerland and sleep in it in winter time. If you liked the video and would like to see more of this kind of videos, please hit the like button and subscribe. And so yeah, that's it for now, and see you next time.